Hey guys, welcome back for another week of lunches for Brandon. We have today something pretty simple. We're going with a PB&J, and I used a puzzle sandwich cutter for that. So I have peanut butter and jelly there. We have some oranges, blueberries, and then for the vegetable, we're going with edamame today. And then we have some veggie straws that he really likes. For dessert, he chose this at the supermarket. This is M&M cookies. So he's gonna have one of these for dessert and then his bottle of water. So that's what he's bringing today, and we will see what happens at the end. Okay guys, so we are back from school and now we're gonna see what Brandon ate. So, looks like he has 3 of the 4 pieces still left of the sandwich. Why didn't you eat it?
I don't know.
You don't know? So this morning they actually served breakfast at his school. So he already had some pancakes, mini pancakes apparently at school. So I don't know if that was what maybe filled him up, but it looks like he didn't really eat much of that. Edamame, he only had a couple pieces of edamame. Oranges, he finished all of them, but blueberries, he did not touch them. Veggie fries, he finished all of them. And then even though he didn't finish his vegetables and fruit, he still ate the cookie. So in case you guys are like, does it work when you say you're going to save it for dessert? Sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. In this case, no one's there to monitor, so it looks like he dug into half of that cookie already. And then his water as well. So this is what he finished today. We will see how much better he does tomorrow. All right, bye.
Remember the time I ate the hoodie I white and the blue.
Yeah, there were times when he ate the whole thing, but he did not today. All right, bye.
Bye.